I put together a timeline of what's been done. And I want to take a look at that and give each of you an opportunity to talk about it. Okay, on August 3rd, the child is born. Okay, so here we are just a short time after. Danielle refuses visitation. So Brandon files a writ of habeas corpus and the judge orders the visits to resume. So you tried to visit and you said no, and the judge said that you could do the visitation. Now that is a court record filed April 2nd, 2007. Then here we are 10 days later. Danielle interrupts Brandon's visitation, takes the daughter claiming she wasn't drinking enough.
He told me that he would not feed my daughter in the middle of the night. I think she was about 8 months old or something like that. And he refused. He said he would not feed her. And she was used to breastfeeding at that time.
So she came and got her?
She came the next day claiming she wanted to check on her. And when she showed up, she actually physically took our daughter in the car seat out into her car through the front door while I was going and warming a bottle.
No, you weren't.
Okay. Okay, let's fast forward here several months to November, same year. You refuse visitation, so Brandon files a writ of habeas corpus again.
I wanted him to get, again, record in the courts stating exactly what dates, because I was concerned, of course, him taking her out of state.
But you had visitation, right? And so you had to file a writ of habeas corpus to force her to give you the child.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Then on the 9th, you did get it, so she interrupts the visitation and takes the child to the hospital because she is ill and cranky and insists on an MRI because you're claiming that she's having seizures.
I went to pick up my daughter, and she literally passed out in my arms. I said, Brandon, come on, we have to take her to the hospital. She's not responding. Let's go, let's go. We rushed her to the hospital, and the doctor told me, your daughter had an absent seizure.
The doctor cleared her on examination, and you insisted that she have an MRI.
I never insisted.
I have read the medical record.
Well, what actually they told us that we can keep her a little bit longer, but, and give her more tests. But we've been here a long time. You can go. She looks okay. And we agreed to go. Both of us were in there together, and he said, all right, let's just go. But the pediatrician came to visit her in the hospital, and she did say, well, what I think she had was an absent seizure and constipation because she wasn't eating. He kept on saying, she's not eating, she's not drinking.
The doctor clears the child, no problem, and says you insisted that she have an MRI.
I'm telling you, Dr. Phil, I never insisted that.
She did. I was in the room at the time. She insisted that we have an MRI, and the diagnosis was constipation. She was constipated because Danielle was feeding her something that would constipate her, cheese doodles all the time.
I am shocked that a doctor would allow you to insist that an MRI, because this is a very traumatic thing for a child. She had to be held down for the MRI, correct?
She did. Yes, sir.
Are you telling me now that they were lying in the record?
I never insisted that.
So they're lying in the record when they say that although the child has been cleared, that you insisted that she have an MRI, which was they had the MRI and it was of course normal.
They suggested that because that's what the pediatrician suspected she had. That's what she told me. I never insisted anything. I wanted the best for my child. I wanted to make sure she was okay. Okay, so this is important to me. You're telling me you did not insist she have an MRI. I don't remember. No, I don't remember me making sure. I mean, I just wanted the best for my little girl.
Here's what the record said. The mother felt the child was having a seizure. Mother got upset when the hospital staff said the child needed no further test or treatment. Mother insisted the child have an MRI. The 15-month-old had to be held down for the test.